When your little one can't stop and is having a hard time breathing, she needs the comfort only a mother can give. But when she can't sleep, neither can you. What can you give her for fast relief so you both can get the rest you need? Unfortunately, many over-the-counter remedies that promise relief either fail to deliver, come with potentially dangerous side effects, or are loaded with unhealthy chemicals and sweeteners. Olbas Cough Syrup, made with pure wildflower honey, is specially formulated to bring pleasant-tasting, natural relief to kids, along with natural antioxidants that support their growing immune systems. Olbas, the power to breathe naturally.